everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. I also hope you're safe and happy. In this video, I'll be decorating my house for Christmas. Yay! That's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, but before we start, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is gonna help my channel a lot. Thank you in advance. And now let's get started. As you see, the house looks like this now. Exactly. Needs a lot of work. I think I'll start by adding the lights. Okay. Almost done. Yay! This is so bright. The sofa doesn't match my Christmas decor. It has to go away. That's a better choice. Perfect. I'll put this on the wall. Hang the bells. And the other one. Here we go. Not sure where to hang this wreath. Well, I'll put it aside for now, because I'm taking a break to watch Fafifu's Christmas Dollhouse DIY decor to get some ideas. That's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, that's it.
Hi Beverly, I'm done decorating the patio, but the lights got tangled around me.
Oh, how did that happen?
I don't know, it just happened.
Okay, relax. Let me help you. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's not good.
Beverly, you're not helping.
Oh, just give me a second. And don't move, please. You're moving.
Who, me? Not really.
Okay, look. We'll both turn on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Bradley, you moved early.
I guess I did. Now what?
Just relax and stand still.
Okay. 3, 2, 1,
turn.
Oh, we're still stuck.
I know. Please relax.
How can I relax like that?
Just keep calm, Bradley. We'll try one more time. Hopefully it'll work.
15 minutes later.
Okay, keep going.
Yes, we're almost there. Finally, That was so easy. You're most welcome, Beverly. Call me if you need any help.
Sure, Bradley. I will. You must be so tired. Why don't you go take a warm bath? I'll wait here for you.
Okay, I will. See you in a little while, Beverly.
See you, Bradley. I'll put that away. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the bell button so you won't miss my next video. And till next time, happy holidays and stay safe. Bye.
Happy holidays, everyone. See you in our next video.